Salesforce, the world's #1 AI CRM, has introduced Agentforce, a next-generation platform of autonomous AI agents designed to transform how customers and employees interact. As we move into 2026, implementing Agentforce is a strategic upgrade toward fully AI-powered operations. And if you're already using Salesforce, you're already one step ahead. You can deploy Agentforce quickly using your existing Customer 360 foundation. To deep dive into the implementation, let's walk through the basics of Agentforce. So, what is Agentforce? Agentforce is a new AI architecture where digital agents act like virtual employees. They retrieve data, solve problems, and execute tasks autonomously. Powered by Customer 360, these agents bring intelligence, context, and precision into every interaction. What Agentforce really does. Agentforce creates intelligent digital coworkers that understand your data, execute tasks, answer questions, and automate workflows across business units. Unlike traditional bots, these agents reason, act, and collaborate like real team members. Let's now understand the implementation steps. Step 1. Discovery and goal setting. Identify your use cases and set KPIs to avoid scope creep. Step 2. Pre-implementation planning. Map data sources, roles, governance, and required Salesforce application development or integrations. Step 3. Licensing and readiness. Activate Agentforce using flex credits or per conversation pricing and confirm access to Customer 360. Step 4. Build and configure agents. Use Agent Builder to design agents, add instructions, link data, and create actions. Step 5. Testing and refinement. Validate results using Testing Center before going live. Now let's break down how long it typically takes to implement Salesforce Agentforce. For simple agents, you can launch within 30 minutes to 2 days. Most mid-sized businesses complete implementation in 4 to 6 weeks. And for complex setups with custom integrations, data cloud, or multi-agent workflows, expect 2 to 5 months. Here are the key pricing factors for implementing Salesforce Agentforce. First, you'll need Salesforce licenses, typically ranging from $175 to $550 per user per month for Sales or Service Cloud. Next, Agentforce usage costs depend on how you operate. Flex credits cost around 10 cents per action, and if you choose per conversation pricing, it's $2 per session. Partner fees vary depending on the complexity of your rollout. Consulting services typically range from $10,000 to $25,000. Implementation work usually falls between $50,000 and $150,000. Here are a few quick tips to ensure a smooth Salesforce Agentforce rollout. Start small. Begin with 1 or 2 high-impact use cases for quick wins. Keep it simple. Limit agent topics early on, and scale gradually as the system evolves. Prioritize data governance. Ensure agents access clean, accurate, and well-structured data from day one. Continuously refine. Regularly review agent responses to improve accuracy, relevance, and performance. Need expert guidance to unleash the full potential of Agentforce? Partner with Cloud Analogy, your trusted Salesforce Agentforce consulting services provider. From strategy to implementation, customization to optimization, Cloud Analogy helps you deploy intelligent AI agents faster, smarter, and with maximum ROI.